In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel for WooCommerce. Before we jump into WordPress, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your meta business assets are ready. This setup works best when everything is already in place, so confirm that you have a Facebook page for your business, a Meta Business Manager account, an ad account, and a Meta Pixel already created. Having these pieces prepared ahead of time makes the connection process much smoother and helps you avoid interruptions later when WooCommerce asks you to link everything together. Once that's ready, log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the plugins area and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Meta for WooCommerce. When you find the official plugin, click Install Now and then activate it. This plugin is what connects your WooCommerce store to Meta so your pixel can track activity properly, including key e-commerce events. After activation, look at the WordPress sidebar menu, click Marketing, and then select Facebook from the dropdown. This is where the integration setup begins. On that page, click Get Started. You'll then be prompted to log into your Facebook account and follow the on-screen instructions. Take your time here and make sure you're using the account that has access to the correct business assets. As you move through the setup flow, you'll be asked to choose several items connected to your business. Select your business portfolio, your Facebook page, your catalog, your ad account, and the specific pixel you want to use with your WooCommerce store. This is an important part of the process because choosing the wrong asset can send data to the wrong place or create confusion in your advertising setup. Next, authorize the connection and complete the required shop details, including things like your privacy policy. This part matters because Meta may use some of this information to validate your store setup, and it also helps keep your business aligned with platform requirements. Make sure the information is accurate and up to date before continuing. Finally, verify your setup. This last check helps confirm that the plugin is connected correctly and that your pixel is ready to track activity from your store. If everything has been selected properly, your WooCommerce site should now be connected to Meta and ready for tracking and ad optimization. That's it. You've now set up Facebook Pixel for WooCommerce, giving you a stronger foundation for reporting, retargeting, and improving your ad performance.